Introducing the Equator's EW828 Marine Washer, a compact, rust-proof laundry solution built for life at sea. Measuring 33.5 by 23.5 by 22 inches, this compact washer offers a 1.62 cubic feet capacity, perfect for handling up to 15 pounds of laundry. Choose from its 16 wash programs, including salt wash to eliminate marine residues, Sanitize to kill germs and bacteria, and an allergen cycle for sensitive skin. Enjoy quiet operation at just 60 decibels and a convenient 2-minute winterized mode for off-season protection. Save energy with smart features like automatic water and dry level adjustments and auto display shutoff. Eliminate germs and bacteria proactively with the anti-bacterial drum baffle. Other noteworthy features include a child lock, delay start touch controls, a color-coded LED display, and diagnostic sensors. Create a complete laundry set by pairing this washer with Equator's ED868 Marine Dryer. Its marine-ready warranty with 5 years of rust protection and a 2-year motor warranty ensures long-lasting performance. For more details, scan the QR code on the control panel. Enjoy reliable onboard laundry. Bring home the Equator EW828 Marine Washer today.